Hi, it's Hard Reset, and today I'll show you how to fix phone heating while charging on Motorola Moto G31. So first things first, it is completely normal for your phone to heat while you're charging it, especially while you're using the fast charge, but we can minimize that. First, disable all the background apps. Then use original cable and a charger. Remove the case of your phone, as you can see I don't have one. Charge in a cool and ventilated area and avoid using your phone while charging. Just leave it on a nightstand and let it charge properly. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.